Growing a lavender garden is simple and will reward you with a beautiful fragrance, striking flowers and pollinators like butterflies and bumblebees enticed into your garden. You can easily grow lavender from seed. Sprinkle the seed onto some wet kitchen towel. Put the wet kitchen towel into a Ziploc bag and place it into the fridge, then forget about it for 4 weeks. Once the time is up, sow the seed onto compost and place the pot back into a Ziploc bag. Place the pot onto a sunny window and your seeds have begun to grow. You can also do lavender cuttings. Prepare a pot of soil and make sure you have some good rooting hormone powder to hand. Get some lavender cuttings and keep them as fresh as possible. Take cuttings about 10-15 centimeters long and remove any leaves that are on the lower half of the cutting. Make a few holes in the soil, 5 to 8 centimeters deep. Dip the cutting into the hormone powder, put it into the hole, and pack the soil around it. Try to use a stem without a flower and place the cuttings in indirect sunlight. Don't let the soil dry out. Lavender can root as quick as 2-4 weeks. To check, gently pull on the cutting. If it gives any resistance, it has likely rooted. When you have your lavender plants ready, prepare the ground and dig in some sand or grit and some slow-release fertilizer. The plants will quickly begin to grow, and as they flower, you will notice bees, butterflies, and all manner of insects visit your garden. By touching the leaves and stem, you will be able to smell the fragrance on your fingers. Lavender is used in a wide range or crafts such as soap making, essential oils, flower arranging, and many more. You can get different varieties of lavender like French lavender with a big flower or English lavender with a smaller petite flower. You can also get different colors. We all know the purple color of lavender, but you can also get pink lavender and white lavender. There are hundreds of varieties, including a variegated leaf. Another lavender benefit is that it is used for healing and calming. Even today, it is found in many shower gels, bath foams, and sleep remedies. Lavender is a fairly short-lived plant. It survives about 5 years. However, it will easily produce many seeds to begin the cycle all over again. Pruning your lavender helps prolong its life, keep its shape, and produce more flowers. Regular pruning can increase the life of your lavender plant by 5 to 15 years. In a day and age when we are losing bees and butterflies, planting a lavender garden or even just a bush provides essential nectar for the insects to feed on as adults and can help keep wildlife in your garden and support our pollinators.